Alrighty, we off to get a surprise. Stay tuned to see. Good Monday morning here at the 256 Garage. I hope all y'all had a wonderful 4th of July. I know we did. Ate way too much food, but boy, it was good. Here it is, back to reality. Back to buying any sausages and sandwiches and water. Gotta get back to work. And what we got this week going on? Sorry, I should have been more prepared before I started this video. But for starters, we got to get the little Toyota finish. We got the new deck lid we got to put on. Hopefully the new lower part of the bumper cover will come in. We had one come in, but it wasn't the correct one. So they were closed for the 4th of July. So hopefully they'll be open back up today and they'll be bringing us a new one. The 59, we just pretty much got it in here sitting out of the weather. I think it's about ready to go home. Maybe the little Subaru will show up this week that we can put them doors on and get going on that job. I know Daddy stayed a little later than me Friday. I'm not sure exactly where he got on this truck. I know he was doing the final step, and it does look pretty nice. I'm not sure if he's done or what he's got in mind. I'm sure it still needs washing off. I can see on the tunnel cover where it still just needs a good bath. But gotta get that out of the way. We got a little Nissan Rogue. It was dropped off yesterday. Got to fix the quarter panel and back door. We done an estimate on this car. I don't know. Back before Christmas. And of course, Christmas, everything going on, they wanted to hold off. But we fixed this car already, I think 3 times. I think I've done 2 back bumpers on it. And then she got backed over and we repaired this door, put a new door on, blend on the fender on this side. But anyhow, so now we got this quarter panel and a little bit of smudge on that door we got to fix. I think I'm about to get started on it this morning. If we can't get it knocked out, they need it back before too long. Go see what got the little Altima put together. We like 2 inner fenders and an under shield on this car. I think it'll be ready to go. Got the AC blowing cold. Got the front end put back together. I think it'll be ready to go. The little Honda, we need to get some pinstripes on it this week. And I believe it'll be ready to go. Go in here, see he's soaking up this air conditioning. I don't know, he may not even have it on. Oh yeah, he's got it on. What are you doing?
I'm ordering stickers for Dane Subaru, and I got garbage out. And
You're supposed to already have everything ordered for the Subaru.
You told me to get them black stickers.
You didn't get them ordered?
No, this one. Hey, Marshall, this Alan at 256. I need to get some stickers for a 2018 Subaru. The blackout stickers on the door frames. I got the 256, 601, 8034. J8308-706. The 2 left doors.
Well, there you have it. He's ordering parts. Oh me, I don't know if we're gonna try to take something Tuesday night to play in the daily drivers race or not. I'm thinking about taking this little Camry and entering. I've never actually entered a actual race. If I have been, just up there testing too. I may take a little car and enter that little daily driver. Give old Jameson in the Mighty Mountaineer a run for his money. What do y'all think? The hole in the inner structure, the hole there,
But they don't put the hole in the
outer.
outer.
But they don't put the hole in the outer.
What are you doing drilling holes on this brand new?
Customers are not allowed to bring their own parts anymore.
What? You brought a white part and you got a white part. What's the deal there, buddy? What are y'all so excited about?
Well, I gotta make a whole lot of holes in this brand new deck. Oh my goodness.
Drill too big.
I forgot what I was drilling for.
What was you drilling for?
Well, I was drilling for these, but I had my drill bit checking for the wire hole. So I just need to hold this big.
Well, you're drilling the wire holes, ain't you?
No, unfortunately not. I marked them holes.
That looks about like where the wire hole ain't.
Oh my goodness.
Back to the drawing board. Now you're gonna have to put one of them other clips in it. You know what?
Do something a little different.
Anyway, well, he's got the old Rab 2.5 coming together. Just walking.
I never drill all the holes. I always drill one hole.
Then check.
I did this time.
Of course. Good thing I make more than one size clip. Let's go in here and see what the other weavers do. Whoop, look at it there. We got pistons going in a motor. Must be a tough job because he's brought the whole bottle.
Yeah.
He told the bartender, just leave the bottle. Got pistons getting ready to go in. What are you gapping your rings?
Yeah. Trying to. I can't keep up with my things.
You need
here.
to.
I can't see well
I
enough.
say you need a bigger light over here on this side, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
We're getting the rings ready there, and them things are hard to see if you got nice, good light. But anyway, that's what we got going on here. End of the day winding up. Been cleaning them. Got this one clean and polished up. Get ready to call it a day and start another day.
Here we are, Tuesday, back on the RAV4. We got them pieces, holes drilled, and got them mounted on. I fixed the side that I kind of goofed up on. This side, I did not make a mistake on, so that's nice. So now I'm building me a template. I've got to make that hole in the bottom of the hatch. I used them two holes to line it up with right here. And so I've got to put this one now on that side. Well, slowly getting it notched out. Alrighty, I'm gonna peel this tape off. Probably take a little file, make sure it's good and flat. We'll see if the thing will snap in. Alright, moment of truth. Will it snap in? Nope, not hardly. I think might still need to take a little off the bottom. Try it again. What about now? Can we get it enough now? Oh, oh, oh. Still just a hair too narrow. She's fitting this time. It's a going in. Well. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Well, we got the RAV4 put together. Daddy's gonna try to get it cleaned up inside and out. He's finishing up the little Nissan. He forgot to vacuum and clean the inside of it out, so he's working on that. I don't know if y'all remember this little car from a while back, but we painted, I believe it was the roof and the hood on it. It's came back with a little running issue. It's doing something a little goofy. So we're checking into what's causing it to run bad. And it just comes and goes. Little Subaru that just dropped off for them doors that we jammed out the other day. There's the damage. Starting to try to get it tore down, hang the new doors. I'll probably build them as far out as I can, minus the door handle and the mirror and the belt mold, the outside stuff. But I'll probably go ahead and put all the guts in it. But I got to taking it off and got to looking, and I want you to look here. So there's a little cover here, and what's supposed to be a bolt, and can't get the light to shine in there just right. But if you see that reflection of that piece of plastic, so this thing must have not ever had a bolt in it, even from factory. I don't know if that's the case. I ain't took it off yet, or if it's just somebody may have worked on it in the past and that clear plastic protector back there got slid over the hole. I don't know, but from the looks of it right now, it looks like it never had a bolt put in it since day one. So anyways, a little further detail of what's going on. We got a Challenger that just dropped off, and I think we're supposed to be getting a Highlander in tomorrow. Here it is, hump day at the 256 garage. Oh, got a lot that needs to be getting done. And this week, like I said, here it is Wednesday, and our help, one throwed his knee out, and the other one I ain't heard from. I guess he's still working with his real job. I ain't heard from him. But had several drop off this week. Got that Subaru. I got the doors hung. The little spot that was damaged on the quarter panel repaired. I've got to R&I this wheel opening molded and do some more R&I stuff and get that sanded. Should be ready to sand, start prepping for paint. Got the little Rogue here. That's what I'm going to work on this morning. I'm going to sand the door, sand the quarter, get them ready to paint. Little Nissan, we just pulled it in here out of the rain yesterday. I think Daddy's calling it good enough to go home, which it looks good. It turned out nice. Got a Challenger dropped off yesterday. We got to do a little quarter panel repair on. I think it's previous damage. We now got it's been worked before, and it's starting to come back loose. See the cracks. We got to repair that. Pretty nice car. Hemi, red line edition. I don't know about the wheels, but it's a nice car. I like all of it but the wheels. I ain't crazy about the wheels, but somebody else may be really crazy about them. I don't know. I think they said something about dropping off a Toyota this morning, or today at some point. I don't know about this morning, but today we got to repair. We got a bum little girl right there. I don't know what she's doing. What are you playing with? You playing with my cane? Put my cane down. We're going to have to hang her by her toes. But let's see if we can get some of this done today. Say bye. I know y'all give up on us getting this Cutlass out in the sun. Here it is. Put a hot battery on it. And where's the sun? Oh, behind that cloud. But anyways, here it is outside. Sun's up there. She's running in a fur. Past some of these insurance jobs, maybe I can get back on and get it finished up. What are you doing?
I'm working like a dog. What are you doing?
Well, I was getting the end video to this beautiful, wonderful week we've had.
Right, and in some rain.
Every evening has ended in some rain.
I get to fix my hair.
Oh man, we'll have to stop the video.
We'll do a good ending video.
All right. Well, like I said, we're gonna do an ending video. Here's the little Nissan Rogue we repaired the quarter panel on. It's all put back together. Caden got it washed and cleaned up. It'll be ready to deliver. turned out nice. Hope they're satisfied, which I think it will be. And, have any other stuff in the future, they'll come back to us. But there's that. We got the little Nissan on the 2-post lift. The under shield and the inner fender came in. So we're going to install that stuff. Got the Subaru here. Yesterday was kind of hectic. It didn't work out like I wanted, but it's pretty well prepped. I got to come in here, sand inside the door handle holes, do a little sanding like right there, and it'll be prepped and ready to go in the booth and get taped off. We the RAV4, we sent it home. I believe it was this week. I don't think it was last week, but it may have been. I think it was this week we sent the RAV4 home, wasn't it? I think come in Monday and finished it up. CRV's ready to go. The Highlander that was sitting in here, come to find out it was skipping on 5, right? Ran the codes. I reckon the lady that owned it run the codes. She got misfire on 5. Daddy run the, it didn't do nothing. Then it went to skipping. Daddy run the codes, misfire on 5. We put 3 plugs in it, went ahead and put 3 cools on the back side because you got to pull the intake off and all, the upper intake. Well, get it all put back together, running smooth. Well, then the check engine light comes on and goes to skipping. Misfire on cylinder 5. So we're like, wait. And I go to live data, and I'm looking at the live data, and I see that the trim on fuel bank 1 and 2's not matching. So get looking, that's telling me an injector, right?
Yeah.
So get to looking, and at some point somebody has had to been working on that car because the injector was unplugged.
Somewhere down the road.
And it's the one under the intake. So somebody in the boy helping us, he said, I don't think I've done it. I said, well, I don't see why you would have unplugged it. And the fact that it was already skipping on 5.
Same cylinder. Now yeah. Been a different cylinder.
Right. So apparently that thing was left unplugged the whole time. Of course, the plugs looked bad. It needed new plugs. And then the coils, that stuff didn't hurt. But we plugged took the intake back loose and everything, plugged the injector up. It run good. I went down there and got me some hot tamales from our neighbor.
There's a flagging down when I come through earlier.
That's pretty good. I got the pork. But they were good.
Paid for them, but that's good.
Yeah, I paid for them, but that's good. He said he had green and red, 1 chicken, 1 pork.
More like restaurant prices instead of roadside prices.
Right. I was going to get, like a couple for all of us here at the shop, and he priced them.
How much it was if we had to split them?
Yeah, that's exactly what happened.
So if you leave early for an early supper, that's why I couldn't afford enough lunch.
Where was I? Oh, got the fuel pump in the Grand Marquis, and it wouldn't crank, fuel pump wouldn't run, and come find out, relay was bad.
Really?
So put a relay, and somebody...
Fuel pump wouldn't run straight wire in it either.
Well, that's true. But somebody was having trouble with it before us.
Before that. Probably
because,
wire was
right, the wires, you tell where they skint the wires back trying to check with the test light.
Yeah.
But it
That's
ended
probably
up...
why it was parked.
Mm-hmm.
What a week.
I'm telling you, got all that done.
Yeah.
Ain't really thinking nothing else.
Yeah, watch this week and check back next week. Maybe we'll have some good surprises.
Yeah, maybe so. Alrighty, we off to get a surprise. Stay tuned to see. Ooh.